Hey, so I need to show you this. Olsa tool just sent me this to test it. That's the magnetic pad so that your tools don't roll away on you when you're working on your car or your pickup truck. So it's magnetic on both sides. Well, let's put it to the test. This is the garage door that I have from inside my house to access the garage. It's metal, so a pad stays on there. But let's see what it can support. So now that pad is made to be flat and the tools don't roll away, but we really want to test the magnet, so what better than testing it vertical with the floor. Let's see if it can hold a 1-inch socket. Yeah, no problem with that. What about a 1/2-inch ratchet? Can it hold a hammer? Oh, let's really put it to the test. Here's a 3-pound slush hammer. Wow, that's impressive. What about the crowbar? Do you guys think it's gonna hold the crowbar? Need a little bit more magnet on this. Oh yeah. All right, you guys want to see an extreme test? That's a 10-pound slush hammer. Here, look at this. Oh, this way. 10-pound. Let's see if the Olsa tool pad can hold this. Whoa! Yeah, 10 pounds left. That didn't stay long, but it was holding for a minute. Well, what do you guys think? Hey, for me, it passed the test. Like, it's supposed to hold sockets, nuts, and bolts so it doesn't roll off when you're doing little work on your vehicle. Well, if it can hold all of the stuff on a door like that and this angle, it can hold anything.